Image Pauda Ming Tabiri Basango Ahamamata the Krumzari, Jose Maroiba Pauda, Maharasubai International Yoga Day Tharom Prime Minister Narendra Modi na Miyoli Singh Nipugalunana Ranchi de Pangthokre. International Music Day Tharom Pangthokre. Lunana District Level Subrotoka Football Tournament 2019 Masidagi Hadokre. Jose Pausanuna Pizari. Indiana Ngasi Maharasuba Malemgi Yoga Numit Palan Tonare. Tharomasida Prime Minister Narendra Modi na haikibada yoga na punamaki mathakta lai mi khudimangna yoga sanabada yausinnabasu Prime Minister Modi na appeal tawki yoga da thawai yausaba mioi lesing nipurongba loinana tonga ba yoga asan sing practice tawki mangarak suba malingi yoga numit prabhat tara ground ranchi da pangthopagi tharomda Prime Minister Modi na yoga gi kanabasingi maramda haikibada Hausa ke hongleba matamasida haksang phana thamba habase tangai phadraba amani nade yetna haksang phana thambada yoga habase pharaba pambene modern yoga ase khungangda amade tribal area da su yonghanba mathautai yoga sanapana larabadage amati laina singdage nanthopangami yoga na loksing thabak amasung kathopage pangalpi Ayush Minister Sripat Naik na so hakibada yoga ge kanabasing Miyam da sandung ba gamena thabak locally yoga ge oza singna miyam da yoga hodopa mathautari national capital dana Rajpath da maru eba thoram pangthokhi Chief Minister N Birena Haikre Manipur da overdraft ta khiba adu zero balance da leire athuba matamda RBI na thingbalok tokragani handak lok khiba thabak sing DPC amadi interview tokhiba sing Cabinet me pamduna khanaragani wapam singa se Kumbal Lampa Indoor Stadium da pangthokiba Mangarak Suba International Yoga Nume Tharamda Pamisangna hangba wangda se Minister N Birena phudokibane mana makhata duna RBI na athingba thambadage recommend tokiba thabak sing athingba thamlambadu hydrocadra hydrocloidra habadu leblagani haina phongdokiba galonana Chief Minister na makhata duna Miyobana puning haksang phana leiraba matamda malemda nungsinaba puropangamgane ekoi masen nungsinarabadi malemda ing tappa nungsinaba puropangamgane Manipur asi mini India amani tonga bapurup singna khundabana ekoi masen nungsinaraga lamda masida nungsiba puropangamgane haikhe Ngasigi International Yoga Day asida tonga mamophamdagi miyoli sing amaromna sarubiaduna pangthokiba taromaduda Health Minister Alexander Kumar Cap and Deputy Minister Karam Syam, Agri Minister V. Hankalian Amadi Makok Thongba Operation Singsu Sarugyaki.
Yeah, in my state also, just today we are celebrating in every part of the state, and this form of celebration and performing of this yoga will continue, gradually. We cannot start it at the moment at a whole. But gradually we are going to expand it to the district level and to cover all the state.
Malingi mapam kyada Mangasuba International Day of Yoga 2019 pangthok nabagong kapsang amasung Thoban District e mapam kyada su tharomase paksana pangthok nakhe Primary Health Center PSC Hianglamgi Makhada Leiba Health and Wellness Center Langmaitong na Sinduna Kapsang District e Langmaitong da Mangasuba International Day of Yoga gi tharom pangthokre Climate Action haiba theme da pangthokiba tharom maduda Langmaitong Gram Panchayat ke Pradhan Bedabatina Thaiba Mitung Dr. D.S. Somarendro CMO Kapsingna Tharomapu Dr. Kiran MO in charge PSC Hianglam amasung Health and Wellness Center Langmaitong gi yoga instructor Sunandana Akanaba Mitung Sing Aina Sarubyaki. Tarongi Matanda CMO Kapsing Dr. T.H. Somarendro Nahai Aikuina Ana Aye Kadage Ngaktunaba Yoga Asi Lenganga Hangliba Health and Wellness Center Singda Ngasidagi Hongtuna Sangnaina Yoga Asi Sanabi Haina Miyangi Puning Singki Amadi Yoga Gisazen Pangtoki District Yoga Training and Research Association Daitra Kakseng Amasung Kakseng Aerodrome da Labor 39 AR Anina Puna Kusanaduna Kakseng District Kakseng Uyuk Sing da Labor Kakseng Garden da Su International Day of Yoga Gitaram Pangtoke Taromatuta Wai Sursunda MLA Kakseng Assembly Constituency na Atoiba Mitung Waimangi President Daitrana Taromapu Dr. Naliantan Delian DC Kakseng Colonel PPS Sohant Commandant 39 AR and Sanjay Kumar Chairperson Kakseng Municipal Council KSI Jaljet Vice Chairperson Kakseng Municipal Council Amade Kakseng Municipal Councillor Singna Akhanaba Mitungan Singh ko oina serbiaki Tarong yatoiba mitung ko oikiba MLA Sursandana Maki warol piraduna hai yoga ase miyoi ama masana de yeptana haksang phana thamnaba kwaidigi sajin ama oire haibase malana yanare yoga ase changnaina sanaduna haksang phana thamnaba honaba mathau tare phungdokhe tharomadada saruya khibasingna yoga ge sajin sing akham ka ai singna taktuna sanakhe amaromda BJP Kakseng Mandal na su Mangasuba International Day of Yoga gi tharom Kakseng Garden da pangthoke Taromatata Wai Sursanda MLA Kakseng Assembly Constituency BJP Kakseng Mandal gi thomi kyasu sarvyakhe Bharat Swabhiman Trust Patanjali Yoga Samiti Mahila Patanjali Yoga Samiti Yuva Bharat and Kishan Seva Samiti Kakseng District Nasinduna Yoga for Heart Haiva Thimda Kakseng Phoksupat Lekadeleba Kakseng Traumatic Unenge Holda Numit Asi Mangasuba International Day of Yoga gi pangtokhe Tawang District ke Oinasu District Police Thobal Nachu Sinduna SP Thobal ge Office Complex ta SP as Ibum Chana Lusenduna Mahake Loina Riba Staff Single Loinana Yoga ge Sajan Pangtoktuna International Day of Yoga ge Tharam SP Thobal ge Complex ta pangthoke BJP Khangago Mandal Nasu Sinduna Khangabok Makha Lekai Community Hall da International Day of Yoga ge Tharam pangthoke Yoga with Guru Haiba Thimda Pangthokiba Ngasegi Tharamatuda Hanagi BJP Manipur Pradesh ke Vice President TS Zadumani Amade Khangabo BJP Mandal gi Thomi Singh Yauna Meogyana Sarvyaduna Yoga ge Sajan Pangthoke Alembic Pharmaceutical Limited ke sponsor Makada Lions Club Thobal Amade Bharat Vikas Parishad Thobal Sakha Nasu Sinduna Thobal Khetri Sanglen na pangthoke Yoga for Peace and Harmony Haiba Thimda Thobal College na host oiduna tungan tungamba organization singa khusamnaduna Thobal College ge Auditorium Hall the International Yoga Day ge tharom pangthoke Yaripok Patanjali Yoga Center Yaripok nasu Yaripok Laimanai Multipurpose Hall the pangthoke Health and Wellness Center Wangkhem da su Thobal District ke DPM yauna CHO amadi Apunba staff amadi lekage ahal laman singa loinana pangthoke Kamanipur Yoga and Nature Care Association Kakseng International Naturopathy Organization New Delhi amadi Lions Club of Kakseng Greater Napuna Kusamnaduna Kamanipur Yoga and Nature Care Association Kakseng Kadaktasu International Yoga Day ge tharom pangthoke 5th International Yoga Day ge tharom Tamil Sangam More amadi VHV Manipur Anina Sinduna Su Tamil Sangam More ke office da Yoga Day pangthoke Nakalamromda Integrated Check Post ICP More Su International Yoga Day tharom 43 Assam Rifles More amadi Integrated Check Post More Anina Su Pune Sinduna Yoga Day tharom pangthoke haire tharomaduda ICP asida Leriba Tongan Tongamba Department Singe Staff Changso Sarvyaki Ngasi Malangi Mapang Kudingda Pangtoknariba 5th International Yoga Day Tharom District Headquarters Tengnopanda Climate Action Haiba Thimda Tengnopan District Police Nation Duna Pangtokre Kasegi Tharomaduda DC Aichal Rupasandra SP TS Brikramzit ASP KH Robinson DSP CDO More TS Thomas DSP Headquarters Suras SDPO Binoy Songtam Amadi Ate Police Office Yauna Pangthopa Tharom Aduda Tengnopan District Asige Police Personnel Kaya Amadi Ate Department ke staff Singda Yoga gi Masana Takpi Bagaloinana Yoga Sanabana Haksang Pawatanatana Wakal Loksing Lehele Haina Pondoraki Ziribamgi RK Sanatumbi Devi Vidalia Ziribamgi Holda Krida Bharati Manipur Ziribam Zilla Nasinduna Amadi Ziribam High Secondary JIS School Ge Holda 37 Battalion Assam Rifles Amadi 14 Battalion NCC Anina Kusam Naduna 5th Suba International Yoga Day 2019 Thoram Pangthokre RK Sanatumbi Devi Vidyalaya Holda Pangthokiba Tharamatuda Mioy Chamaga Yankai Romna Sarubiyaduna Pangthoke Maduda JIS School Ge Holda Pangthokiba Aduda NCC Ge Cadet Yankai Romna Sarubiyaduna Mapungpana Pangthoke Yoga with Gurus Haiba Thimda 5th International Yoga Day Thoram Long Sangbam Makaleka Community Holda Pangthokre Masigi Thoramatuda Social Worker and Hiainu Devi KH Zilla Singh President BJP Haingang Mandal W Bormani Devi President Mahila Morcha BJP Haingang Mandal PB Mola Devi Adaksa Imphal East Amadi L Olin Kumar Member Haingang Zilla Parisana Matingsana Thuba Mitunglen Thorumapu Amadi Akhanaba Mitunglen Oina Serviaki Amaramda Palanthoram pa asi Halana Wale Center Awang Wabakai the Supang Thoki Tharamadada National Hal Mission Gis Stan Nodal Officer District Nodal Officer Amadi Thematical Officer Impulso Saruyaki Sing Minister and Birena Amurakaina Thalaba Imphal City Manung Pauduna Cheliba Namul Turenge Pibam Asigi Rejuvenation and Conservation Tongnabage Project Sam Krabamatung Housing Number 2 and Sembaki Tabab Haktingana Yang Senkre Chief Minister ni Nambol Turen Yang Senba Aduda Turena Sina Pauduna Chatliba Kaisam Thong Kendroge Mihutsu Oiriba Health Minister Aljan Kumar Cafe and PDA Ge Minister Karam Siamp Agri Minister V Hankaland Lamai Kendroge MLA KHS Virend Sub Secretary Dr. Suresh Bapu DGP Manipur MLA Khokte Directorate of Environment Imphal Municipal Corporation Ge Official Singsul Namanture Yang Samba Adada Saruyaki. Se Minister na Pamisanga Hankiba Ahanba Phase Ge Oina Pibam Chatraba Namanturengi Iroi Sembadege Hairangoi Thong Pauba Lupa Kro Marputra Changna Turen Asi Lunana Sengadabane. Project Asi Santaka Mena Eprotore Haike. Chief Minister na Makata na Pondo Kibada Nambol Turent Amor Akai Yum Dage Thorapa Amor Akai Sing Ado Anova Technology Matana Turena Sege Nagiata Pai Pansinduna Amorpa Alvant Westing Adu Water Treatment Plant Monsanga Ida Leba Aruba Ising Olhalaga Among Namulda Tilangadamni Haike Turent Orban Sege Manakta Ladiba Prasasina Yum Dage Thorapa Sevesing Mabam Sana Tambio Madu IMC na Kongat Palakani Miamna Turen Ase Mosin Handana Basu Hunabi Hana Abdalke Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy in Falis Sinduna International Music Day Palantokre Academy Ge Auditorium Dapang Tuki Bataramadada Manipur Government Ge Art and Culture Commissioner AMP Lakshmi Kumar Singha IAS da Athuba Mitunglen Jan Manipur Dance Academy Ge Vice Chairman Professor Aistomina Tharumapu Aduga Academy Asige former Vice Chairman Professor Antombina Akhanaba Mitunglen Oike Masigi Tharongi Manum Channel Kidraba Padma Shri Amade Sanginate Academy Awardee Lasram Birendra Kumar Iramba Paramparadagi Leram Lava Manipuri Basnap Sangit Hanimintonba Lerigam Supongki Tungda Pum Solon Yauna Ate Makan Maten Isai Nomagi Tharom Kaso Pangtoki Chief Contributor of Forest TCF Mohendra Pratana Luchingduna Thawal District Waithog the Leba Poirei Tongba Singda Ngasi Uchara Lisangamaga Changarom Thakibagaloinana Mausagi Khal Kaisilagliba Singh Asigi Matangdasu Awareness Program Amasupang Thokre Tawan Forest Division Sinduna Ban Mahasab 2019 Thoranga Marilenana Pangthokiba Uchara Thaba Amadi Awareness Program Aduda Tawan Forest Division Ge DFO Devla Laikprakpam Central Circle Ge Conservator of Forest L Zoikumar Singha Amasung Thawal Range Ge Range Officer as Samung Singha Amadi Ade Officer Loinana WBCC Amasung Ningsing Luke Members in Sud Serviaki CGF Mahendra Pradamna Pomisingda Haikibada Masaki Tharomasi Forest Department Ge Lisam Sina Chatarapa Green Mission Green Manipur Haiba Pandamgi Makada Pangthopani Haraduna Poiritum Bage Akoi Bage Ching Asisu Ahumba Lakpadagi Miyangi Matingalunana Asingba Nuksit Lehenna Bada Mating Oidanaba Ursara Sing Asi Thabani Haiki Masigi Ursara Thabagi Tharam Aduda Lembakul Waithau Chiru Funal Maring Poiritumba Lisam Log Tentha Amasung Uyalgi JFMC Singe Member Singsu Amadi Sambal Tamkol Thobal Kuno Amasung Tiam Konsenge Club Organization Singsu Serviaki Community Mobilization Haiba Hirambasida Numinini Satakadaba Training Kama Workshop for Master Trainers of SMC PRI Singi Oiba Zoning Education Officer Technopal Sindana Technopal Ge Resource Center da Masidegi Hodokre Ngasi Hodopagi Tharamada S Tongpao Mate Vice Chairman ADC Chanden Isur Rupachandra DC Technopal IS Thangkolan Mate Chief of Technopal Amadi and Arun Kumar Zonant Education Officer Technopal na Maru Oiba Myoising Oike Tharamasiga Mari Lainana and Arun Kumar Zoning Education Officer Technopal na Pondoki Bada Ngasidegi Haudugleba Community Mobilization Program Ase Technopal District Asida Ahanba Oina Pangthopa Program Amane Program Asina Technopal District Asige Manungda Leriba School Sing Karamna Pagadahan Sige Skunga Zonal Officer Singa Ababa Mari Karamna Thamgadege Haibasangase Program Asina Naksinaba Mari Henna Purangna Bagaloinana School Sing Pagalahan Badasu Program Asina Sauna Matingwegini Haiki National Health Mission to Manipur Amadi KRS and AA Brusna Diagnostic Private Limited Anina Sponsor Taduna Ngasadige Primary Health Center Hiangamda Tongan Laina Yankai Humdoigi Lemna Test Obagi Kudung Saba Pangan Bahokre Ngasadige Horiba Lemna Test Obagi Numit Asida Mio Humbudra Romna Test Oki Hariba Testing Asi Numit Kudingi PSC Asida Ayuki Pung Taradagina Pung Ani Power Tobani Hari Thawal Wang Mataba Sorok Makhagi Inkola Achoba Mapada Mita Yankairungi Torban Namthakiduna Miamna Mibaduna Lerikiba Adu Kendra Asige MLA Oiriba Hanagi Team Minister or Ibobigi Miam Makada Nongna Lebak Hizinura Samjan Cray Legai Sige Club Social Service and Welfare Association SSAWAG President Ali Ingobina Pundaropada Kumgi Isau Lakpada Awaba Nanglagatra Haina Mipaiba Ponaramba Adu Legai Asige Councillor or Inatombi Club Amadi Miamna Emeleda Hazarubada Harau Yabiratuna Dorban Ase Samjin Bibabo Apemba Boksai Hana Pondarale ITS Youth Association de Iana Montagvillas Authority ka Kusamnaduna Kaksing Waidi Awang Local Amadi Montag Local Ge Amatangaraba Kamanipur College Mamanda Seliba Kong Ngasidagi Tengbaki Tabak Samsen Bahokre Lomisanga Loinana Samsen Kiba Kong Tengbagi Taramba Aduga Mari Lainana Hanana Kaksang Municipal Council Ge by Chairperson Su Oiramba Iyage Member Moirangtem Brozena High Irrigation and Flood Control Department IFCD Sengmai Turenda Sengmai Berries Tingatuna Ising Piraba Kaksang Waidi Awang Local Amadi Mantag Local da Low Uriba Lomisana Ising Pibage Tax IFCD da Piri Labactiri Bade Kongasi IFCD na Ngasi Pawba Samson Sazinba Amata Tawidana Lady Lomisana Lopanta Lapamatamda Samsinduna Ising Loduna Low Uri IFCD na Texu Pangliba Kong Asi Ningtina Amadi Tungkoina Janabayaba Monda Samjin Binaba Marilainaba Lengake Puning Singsilari Haiki Federation of All Tribal Youth Club Manipur President R. Asana High IFC Department of Multipurpose Project Division to the Satariba Development Work as a name Sumrat Satadre Election Model Code of Conduct Generating a Serapta Department of Work as a Gamari Lenana Chauraba Sempam Narona Lotok Lable Maramasina Sel Lobada Chenabasing Numin Nipanigi Manunda Excel Lokakadabde Haina as a Manipur Press Club da Paumisinga Unabada R. Asina Pundoraki Salong Village chanting Lekidraba di Thamnok Langkange Haksang Salong Village chanting cemented grabta Hokiba Chehige Megi Tang Kunda Lerem Sankraba Matung Zunge Tang Taramaganda cemented grab adu Tugaiduna Asiba Haksang Mangan Kiba Bugu Langkang Naga cover Kunpunna akan bamongda kandem tawbagaloina thawong adu mioi bagi ikai khunaba amadi chanebige mayuktani amasung lekhidrabage imung manungbo amasung langkang miambo thawai usitabge thawonge haire pandaba thodok sang thoktanaba aimge matungina mara leibasing athaba matamda dandi pikadabane haruduna thawong asage matangda ingna tapna loishinaba ama purakthri bafawba Chalong Village area santi oina leinabasu apil tawrakli Megi tang amada Maoisna Chatekiba eteka Marilenana Maharashtra ge Gadchiroli ge subdivision and police officer SDPO amathabak ge suspend tokre Maois ge attack aduda policeman taramanga sekibane SDPO Silas Kalebo suspend tobage wafam adu legislative council da Minister of State for Home Deepak Kasarkarna lauthoki Mausna Yamnakanba district aduda mahake stopching chananaba SDPO Silasna hodatoki hari private vehicle amada chaliba police ke mayor singh aduda Mausna attack chatharikiba thodok aduda policeman taramanga ga gari driver ga sikibani Hosek sanabige pau pizade District Youth Affairs and Sport Wellness Sinduna Thobal Amade Kaksing District ke oina Humpusuba district level Subroto Cup Football Tournament 2019 ngasidege Wangsing Dalaiba District Sport Complex ta hodokre ngasidege hawduna lakadriba tang kunmanga phawa chatagadriba football tournament asida district ani asigi oina under 13 boys amade under 17 boys and girls ke punna team kunitun asarbyari Football tournament asigi ngasi hawdopagi tharomda district youth affairs and sport officer Thobal I Punimarsina atoiba meeting land oina sarubyake District Sport Association Kapching Sinduna Association Asigi Playground Chatiriba 3rd Ticket Resident Memorial Under 13 Boys Football Tournament 2019 Ge Ngasi Sanakiba Master Sao Koksingna UCC Bo Panjan Tarong Dersunoda Maitiba Pikre Panjan Singadu jersey number 10 and Ronina 2 jersey number 7 HIs Zubitana Panjan 4 jersey number 11 and Rotigna Panjan 3, jersey number 19 to M, Margina 3, Amadi UCC jersey number 4, and Rigana Saugidama on a goal by Na Panjanamachanki. Hosik Arabida Maroiba Pau Amon Pizari Maharashtra International Yoga Day Tharom Prime Minister Narendra Modi na Miyoli Singh Nipugalunana Ranchi de Pantokre. International Music Day Tharom Pantokre. Lunana District level Subroto Cup Football Tournament 2019 ngasidegi hadokre. Image pawdam asigi de matang sedaloisre ning tabiri basung amukahna khomsare.